Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, detailed beauty reviews that help you make informed decisions. Now, I know we all have our daily routines, but when it comes to something as crucial as oral health, finding the right toothbrush can make a world of difference. Today, we're talking about a product that's designed to elevate your brushing experience to the next level: the Philips Sonicare A3 All-in-One electric toothbrush heads. These brush heads claim to remove up to 2,000% more plaque than a manual toothbrush and offer better gum health and stain removal. But do they live up to all this hype? Stick around as we dive into the details and let you know if they're worth the investment. So, what exactly makes the Philips Sonicare A3 All-in-One brush heads stand out? Well, for starters, the brush heads are designed with multi-angle bristles that are strategically placed to ensure a deep, thorough clean. Whether you're an expert at brushing or a bit more casual about it, the bristles are designed to keep plaque removal on track, even in those tricky areas. The biggest claim here is the up to 100% more stain removal in just 2 days. Now, that's impressive, right? This is all thanks to the triangular bristles that are optimized to increase surface contact. So if you're struggling with stubborn stains, this brush head may just be your secret weapon. But it's not just about stain removal. Gum health is also a major focus. According to the product description, using these brush heads can result in up to 1,500% healthier gums in just 6 weeks. The longer side bristles are designed to gently sweep along your gum line, so you get that thorough gum care too. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. I've been using the Philips Sonicare A3 All-in-One brush heads for a couple of weeks now. I'll admit, I wasn't sure what to expect, but after a few days, the difference was clear. My teeth felt cleaner, smoother, and I could definitely notice less plaque buildup. The design of the brush head is compact and easy to maneuver, which makes it super simple to get into those hard-to-reach areas like the back of your molars. The performance is impressive, but there's one thing I want to highlight: the Philips Sonicare technology. With up to 62,000 bristle movements, it's like your toothbrush is doing a deep clean for you. The fluid action helps to get the cleaning solution deep between your teeth and along your gums, which is something that a manual brush can't really compete with. As for the brush head longevity, these brushes last longer than the standard private label brands, which I love. They're engineered to give you up to 20% more life compared to other brands. Plus, the brush sync feature is super handy. When it's time to replace your brush head, the light on the handle will turn on to remind you. I've found the design of these brush heads to be really practical. The replacement is easy, and they fit onto any Philips Sonicare handle, so there's no need to worry about compatibility. The eco-conscious design with 70% bio-based plastic also shows that Philips is making an effort to reduce its environmental footprint, which I absolutely appreciate. Now, no product is without its flaws. The price tag might feel a bit steep for some, especially when you compare it to other brush heads on the market. However, considering the performance and durability, it does feel justified. Plus, the fact that it lasts longer than cheaper alternatives makes it a bit more cost-effective in the long run. If you're wondering how it stacks up against other electric toothbrush heads, it certainly holds its ground. The multi-angle bristles and stain removal capabilities put it above many in its price range. The long-lasting bristles make it a standout, especially if you're looking for something that's efficient, gentle on your gums, and eco-conscious. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, a quick word on customer support. I haven't had any issues with this product so far, but Philips generally has a strong reputation for responsive and helpful customer service, so if you do run into any problems, you should be in good hands. As for alternatives, there are definitely some cheaper options out there. However, they usually don't offer the same level of performance or durability. If you're looking for a similar brush head at a lower price point, you might want to look into the Oral-B brush heads, but I do believe the Philips Sonicare A3 offers better stain removal and longer lasting use. So what's the final verdict? The Philips Sonicare A3 All-in-One electric toothbrush heads do exactly what they promise. They clean your teeth thoroughly, help with gum health, and remove stains. The price might be a bit higher than some alternatives, but the added benefits make it worth considering if you're looking for high-quality performance. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.